In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client list in ClickUp. Whether you're a seasoned ClickUp user or just starting out, maintaining an organized client list is crucial for effective client management. So let's dive right in. When setting up your client list in ClickUp, the first thing you need to decide is the structure that best fits your needs. There are two main approaches that you can choose from, each serving a different organizational style. If you're looking for a straightforward method to track your clients, you might want to consider creating clients as a list. This option allows you to create a list within a CRM folder or even within a dedicated space. Here, each task represents a distinct client. This setup is great for quick overviews, where you can easily track essential details such as start dates, contract status, and key metrics. It's an uncomplicated and efficient way to keep all client information at your fingertips. On the other hand, if your work requires managing multiple aspects of client relationships, consider setting up clients as folders. In this scenario, each client gets their own folder within a designated client's space. Inside these folders, you create multiple lists dedicated to different elements like services, ongoing projects, or specific deliverables catered to that client. This multi-tiered approach provides a robust framework for extensive client management needs, making it easier to handle comprehensive client interactions and deliverables. Once you've settled on the structure that fits your needs, it's time to set up custom fields tailored to each client task or folder. Custom fields are a powerful feature in ClickUp that enable you to capture all the critical information specific to each client. Consider adding custom fields such as the start date, which helps keep track of when the client relationship began, and a contract end date or a renewal date, so you know when it's time to revisit or renew the agreement. Don't forget to include contact information fields such as email and phone number to have client communication options, just a click away. It's also useful to have fields that represent billing status or overall budget, allowing you to monitor financial aspects and ensure you're staying within agreed limits. Additionally, specifying the client type or tier is beneficial if you provide different service levels or have varied pricing structures. These custom fields are not just useful for data entry, but also enhance your ClickUp experience by enabling easy filtering, sorting, and tracking of client data. With these in place, you can quickly locate information, prioritize your tasks, and ensure you're staying on top of every client requirement and deadline. By choosing the right structure and using custom fields effectively, you'll be able to create a client list in ClickUp that's both organized and tailored to your workflow needs. This setup not only streamlines your processes, but also enhances your ability to provide excellent client service. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you build a more efficient client management system